Hi everybody, my name is Curt and I'm doing a video here on how to use Camtasia. As you can see here, I've opened my opening files, and you can see Camtasia is right here as a green icon. And we've dragged that down here to the bottom menu bar. So I'm going to double click on that, or single click. And in a moment it should open. And there it is. There's our basic screen. Here's our canvas. Here's all of our media placement area, and here's our menu bar for audio effects and all this. So I've already created a brief video with an intro and some music. So that's pretty cool. I also made that, and in a moment, music will fade down, and there we are. Now I'm ready to begin doing things on the screen. So what I want to do now is I want to capture a video of me full screen. So I'm going to pause this for a moment. Is this playing?